Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure NFC is enabled and your card is added to Google Wallet. Open Settings, enable NFC, then open Wallet and add a payment card if you haven't already. Once your card is verified, set it as the default payment method and allow lock screen payments if you want quick access. This gets you from phone to tap ready. It reduces steps at checkout and ensures the terminal recognizes your phone immediately when you hold it near the reader. You now perform the actual tap. Wake the phone and hold the back or top near the contactless reader. You usually do not need to open Wallet unless the terminal requests it. Once the reader detects the phone, you'll feel a vibration or hear a tone, and Wallet will show an on-screen success message. If prompted for a PIN or signature, complete that step. This method is fast because NFC communicates instantly. Staying stable over the reader prevents interrupted transactions. You finish by verifying the on-screen confirmation and your receipt. If the terminal shows failure, try simple fixes. Toggle NFC off and on, restart the phone, or switch to a different default card in Wallet. Once done, make sure your Wallet app and Android system are up to date. Updates often resolve compatibility issues with terminals. If problems persist, contact your bank to confirm card activation for mobile payments. This resolves most remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.